I believe this is a very nice picture here. You have like in the foreground, you see those almost like a little rock pedestal there, and you see a view of the water lingering around those big boulders. And still needs some work to be done, you know, probably another 1 hour or so of just making it clean, eliminating some residual stuff that I have there. Here is a nice picture. This type of thing can be done relatively inexpensively. And you don't need a lot of planning. You really keep going, and one thing leads to another, and pretty soon the end result is usually good. Most of these rock around here, they are natural, but they are stained.